Good morning. My name is Joanne Smith. I'm the owner of Two Men and a Truck Moving Company. We're here to do our monthly pickups for Four Paws Cat Rescue. We've been doing it for 2 years now. We go out and we pick up items that they can't get themselves, and we take them to their consignment store so that they can sell them and provide for the animals.
Why is this important to you?
We're all about giving back to the community. All the franchises do it. We all have our charities that are close to our heart, and we just give back to the community. It's just part of our core values.
To donate.
It was very easy. I just called down there and 2 Men and a Truck came and picked it up.
I'm president of Sun City Four Paws, and this is Pat Kehoe, vice president of our association.
Why don't you tell us what Four Paws is?
We are a no-kill cat shelter. Last year we rescued and adopted 857 cats. We are totally nonprofit. We depend on the public and our thrift store to support us, and people like Two Men and a Truck who donate their time and pick up furniture for us are a godsend. We really thank them for what they do for us.